Sri Jagannath Dham Art Puri, more renowned as Sri Purushottam Puri or Shri Kshetra, is one of the four dhams according to the believers of Sanatan Dharma established by the Adi Shankaracharya. We find a fusion of Vaishnavism, Saivism, Shaktism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and tribal worship in the culture of Jagannath. It symbolizes a greater unity and integrity as the core value of Jagannath culture. The foundation stone of Sri Jagannath Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya, named after Lord Jagannath, was laid on the 7th of July 1981 by Prajnana Bakaspati Dr. Janaki Ballabh Patnaik, the then Chief Minister of Odisha and a great lover of Sanskrit at Puri, Odisha. The university has jurisdiction over the entire state. The Vishwavidyalaya has been accredited by NAAC with B+ grade in the year 2016 for a period of 5 years. The Vishwavidyalaya is now functioning in an extensive and eco-friendly 100 acres campus having accommodations for the teaching departments, administrative wings, Center for Advanced Research in Sanskrit, library, hostels for boys and girls, gymnasium, canteen, bank, post office, computer center, playground with gallery, auditorium, health center, traditional sacrificial altar and guest house, etc. With a view to making the campus eco-friendly through cleaning and greening programs, the Vishwavidyalaya has taken plantation as an important component of its administrative responsibilities. Sri Jagannath Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya advances and facilitates to protect the Shastras, the Shastric tradition, and making Shastric knowledge relevant for the society through study, teaching, and research. It works for the promotion and popularization of Sanskrit language in Odisha in particular and India in general. As a result, it has arrested the attention of the scholars of both national and international repute. The vision and mission of the Vishwavidyalaya: 1. Imparting thorough Shastric knowledge with modern pedagogical nuances and nurturing traditional lore along with the meaningful multidisciplinary researches to bring to limelight the core values and scientific temper of Oriental wisdom encoded in different branches of Sanskrit language and literature. 2. To empower the youth, imparting skill-based education couched with ethical values. 3. To unravel the hitherto unexplored scientific, culture and social treasure hidden in manuscripts of the country in general and Odisha in particular. 4. To conduct researches on Jagannath culture and philosophy and equip trained manpower with detailed knowledge on the religious and ritualistic tradition of the trio. 5. Uphold and maintain high standards of academic and research excellence. 6. Nurture young and talented human resources for the service of the society. 7. To develop the professional competence and capability in students and faculties that will make the best use of their intrinsic potential. 8. To disseminate knowledge and play a vital role in socio-economic growth of the nation, inculcating ethical value. This Vishwavidyalaya strives to adapt the Gurukul system of education, which is an effective method of Shastric studies. The participatory method of education is emphasized here. It helps the students to explore their abilities within by questioning and rediscovering the age-old Shastric knowledge for the betterment of the present society. As a premier institution of Shastric and Sanskrit studies and the only Sanskrit university of the state, the Vishwavidyalaya has taken steps for study and research of Jagannath culture and philosophy. Several conferences, seminars have been conducted and 51 publications have been brought out. Around 20 titles related to Lord Jagannath, culture, philosophy and literature have been published along with other publications of the Vishwavidyalaya. The Vishwavidyalaya conducts Upasastri, Shastri examinations for 181 numbers of plus 2 level and plus 3 level affiliated colleges of the entire state of Odisha and Acharya, Visistacharya and Shiksha Shastra examinations for the departments in the campus. The following significant achievements have been made in recent future pertaining to conduct of examination of the Vishwavidyalaya. 1. The minimum standard and procedure for award of MPhil and PhD degree regulation 2016 as recommended by the UGC has been implemented. Second, the choice-based credit system is implemented in the Acharya level courses from the academic session 2018 and 19. 3. The Upasastri and Shastri level syllabic have also been revised and implemented. 4. The Vishwavidyalaya campus maintains 100% ragging-free atmosphere for teaching, learning and research. 5. The Center for Advanced Research in Sanskrit of the Vishwavidyalaya regularly brings out a research journal, namely Sri Jagannath Jyoti, and a Sanskrit news bulletin named Sri Vihar Bharati. 6. The alumni of this Vishwavidyalaya are suitably placed in various service sectors, including higher education and academics of Odisha and all India services as well. They are in frequent touch with the Vishwavidyalaya through alumni meets. Recently, such meets have been organized on 7th October 2018, 6th June 2018 and 21st October 2018. 7. The Vishwavidyalaya facilitates the students for various competitive examinations through career counseling, SAIL and NET coaching center. 8. The Vishwavidyalaya has its own gymnasium and sports complex to cater to the sports activities of the students. 9. Separate utility centers for boys and girls are now under construction and are expected to be functional very shortly. 10. Annual function for all PG departments and cultural weeks are organized with overwhelming participation of students and teachers. 11. Organization of endowment lectures, invited talks, departmental seminars, sponsored lecture programs, different awareness programs following the directions of the central and state governments and the UGC are regular features. 12. The Vishwavidyalaya also has banking and postal facilities in the campus. 13. All the students enrolled in this Vishwavidyalaya for Acharya and Visistacharya courses get the university scholarships. Beside the first class, first students of each department in Acharya examination and the best student among all the departments in Visistacharya examination are awarded Vishwavidyalaya gold medals and several endowment gold medals and cash prizes such as Swami Chidananda Memorial Scholarship, etc. 14. The Vishwavidyalaya provides boarding facilities for all students as well as for guests in the campus. There are 2 ladies hostels, namely Brahmi Ladies Hostel and Pratyasa Ladies Hostel, having capacity to accommodate 240 and 105 students respectively, and a gents hostel for 105 students which is named as Vishwanath Kaviraj Chhatrabas, besides having the university guest house. The Vishwavidyalaya has a central library with 57,348 numbers of books and 1,884 issues of old journals. Besides, there are 10,184 number of books in the libraries of all the departments. Steps are being taken for full automation and digitalization of all old and valuable reference books, materials and palm leaf manuscripts. The Vishwavidyalaya has signed MOUs with different institutions and universities for the social, cultural, faculty and student exchanging programs. The collaborating institutions are National Manuscript Mission, New Delhi, Divine Life Society, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, North Odisha University, Sri Ramchandra Vihar, Baripada, Kavi Kulaguru Kalidas Sanskrit University, Ramtek, Nagpur, Maharashtra, CDSL Ventures Limited, Mumbai. The Vishwavidyalaya conducts research on various Shastras, Jagannath culture and philosophy in all departments and the research center. All the departments are engaged with MPhil, PhD and D.Litt degree oriented research works. Various research projects have been undertaken by the faculty members with the financial support from the UGC and other funding agencies. The faculty members of the Vishwavidyalaya regularly publish research papers in various reputed national and international journals. Community linkages. The NSS wing of the Vishwavidyalaya conducts various outreach programs in nearby villages for various awareness programs on environmental pollution, effects of polythene, narcotics, gutkha and alcohol, Swachh Bharat, digital literacy, women empowerment, etc. The Veda Jnana Saptaha, a week-long program sponsored by Maharshi Sandipani Rashtriya Veda Vidya Pratishthan, Ujjain, an autonomous body under the Ministry of HRD, Government of India, was held from 15th to 22nd September 2018 at several institutions and public places of Puri to make awareness and create interest among the public in the Vedas, Indian culture of indigenous knowledge heritage. Another program entitled Vedic Classes for All, comprising of 100 classes on different subjects of Vedas, Upanishads, literary cultural heritage of India and impact of Vedic culture on world culture, which is also sponsored by the same funding agency, is now going on in the Vishwavidyalaya. It has been started from 27th September 2018 and will continue till 15th March 2019. The future programs. The university plans to introduce various skill-oriented and job-oriented MOOCs credit courses to broaden the scope of learning of the students, with a view to imparting Sanskrit education to the public in general. Study Center of Odisha Open University is going to be opened in the university very shortly, where there will be facilities for pursuing MA in Sanskrit. Further, 4 numbers of short-term courses shall also be started under the aegis of the same university. MOU with Silpakorn University, Thailand, to study the inscription in Sanskrit written in Thai and Khmer scripts shall become a reality shortly. Thereby, there will be a scope for mutual exchange program for the teachers and the students.